So hello everyone, I'm so glad you're here, and today we will be doing this most requested makeup look. That's the soft glam party makeup look. It is all about this natural glow, the soft blended eyes that turns heads, but still it feels so natural. We will be breaking this makeup look today step by step so that you understand very properly. So grab your brushes and let's start for this natural finish soft glam party makeup look. So I'll be taking this vitamin C wipes. These are wet wipes, and just clean the face very softly. You should not have anything applied on your face before starting the makeup. You can also do a little cleansing on your face, but I will be cleaning this with the wipe. So after cleaning with the wipes, I'll be applying this Professional Matte Primer from Benefit. It's very nice primer. This makes your makeup stay a very long time, like this much. I'll be applying on the areas where I have most pores and on my forehead. Next, we'll be doing this Huda Peach corrector. The shade is peach. A little bit on the under eyes. Wherever you have a little darkness on your face, you can just do it here. Next, I'll be doing this Fenty Beauty foundation. The shade is 300. It's Pro Filter, and you have to blend it very properly with the damp beauty blender. I'll just blend this a little bit. So next I will be applying this Gucci concealer. The shade is 34N. You can use any concealer that matches your shade. That should be like 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Tarte is a very nice concealer. You can try that too. Today I'll be applying this. You have to apply it on your under eyes, the nose bridge, upper lip, a little bit on your chin, on your forehead. For this, I'll be taking this smaller beauty blender that will blend in perfectly. Just need to dab. This is to highlight it, and the contour we do, that is to suppress it so that we get that 3D look. You can see how the dimensions are being shown, and still we have not applied any contouring. In the under eyes, the lines on the under eyes is very important. That will blend in perfectly. I have this Charlotte Tilbury contour. Initially you will feel like it's very dark, but when you blend it in, it's not that dark. With the small beauty blender as well, just blend it in. Just look at the dimensions that we get after the contour. The jawline is chiseled now. Now I will be applying this Rare Beauty blush, Joy. I'll be taking the big beauty blender. To set up my base, now I will be using this Laura Mercier powder. The shade is translucent. This is my personal favorite. The Laura Mercier loose powder is really nice. Sets up your face so flawlessly. For the under eyes baking, I will be using this One Size Ultra Pink powder. I like this because it has a very blurring effect. Wrinkles or lines or something, so it just blurs it out. So just take this puff, emulsify it a little bit, and go on. Let it be for some time. We're not going to remove it. You can see it has blurred the depth if someone has deep set eyes, so this will work great for that. And now let's go with the next step. So I'll be using this Morphe palette, and the shade is a little light brown. I'll start with for my eyes. This is the transition color. Once again, the same shade. After applying the transition shade, I'll be taking a smaller brush and I'll be applying a little darker shade than that. So first we have applied this one, like lighter brown. Now I'll be going in dark brown, a little dark than that. If we feel like it's not that dark, we can always go for a darker shade. After this, we need a little shimmer for our inner corner and the eyelid, the front part. This shade in the inner corner and towards the inside. Now I'll apply a little more blush, sponge, and take a little brown eyeshadow for my under eyes and a black one for my upper lid. How you can create the shading eyeliner. This will help your dark kohl from smudging. Now the mascara. Just brush off all the excess powder that was for the baking that we applied. It's Makeup by Mario. With this lip shade from Revlon. The shade is Upper Hand 003. And I really love this shade. Hope so you also like it. Let's see. So after this, we'll just put on a little highlighter, Rare Beauty. The shade is Accelerate. A bit of the nose. So this is our final look. As you can see, the glow and the eyes. This is with a nude lip shade, but if you want to go a little darker, you can go. So you can always change your shade, whatever goes perfectly with your skin color. And you can see the eyes, how perfectly blended. So this is the party look. This is a soft party makeup, but I have gone a little darker for my eyes. But you can always skip it. If you don't want this dark, you can skip the kajal and then you can go with this all the soft glam. And also you can change your lip color however you like. This is our final look. Like this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video. Bye bye.